So many months ago, my wife talked me into trying something that I had been really reluctant to try because it just seemed sort of trendy. And what was that? It was avocado toast. And I gotta say, I really enjoyed it, but I thought we could improve upon it. So today, we're gonna be making grilled bacon avocado toast. So first thing we need to do is we need to get our avocados ready. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them in half, get the pit out, give a little twist here. We've got our half. And we're gonna be grilling these up just like this, face down on the gas grill in just a couple minutes. I'm gonna be brushing some olive oil on them, but let's move on to our bread now. So the bread I'm gonna be using today is this really nice dark pumpernickel. I haven't seen this used in much avocado toast that I've tried, but I really like pumpernickel and I think it'll go great with this. So I'm gonna cut a couple good slices here. Nice thick ones. And I wanna butter these on both sides before they go on the grill. And pumpernickel can be a little crumbly, so don't worry about that. Once it's grilled up, it's gonna be nice. All right, I'm gonna get the other side of this buttered up, then we're gonna head out to the gas grill. So here are our really nice looking grilled avocado halves. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna scoop this nicely grilled avocado meat out of here into a bowl, and we're gonna add some chopped up bacon that I fried up yesterday. So I'm just gonna use the spoon, get in there, and scoop out just like that. Get another one. Doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to come out whole, it's gonna end up mushed up anyway. So we have all our grilled avocado in here. We're just gonna mush this up a little bit before we add our bacon to it. The bacon I'm gonna add is about a half a pound of a hickory smoked bacon that I fried up. You can use any kind of bacon you want. You can see that we just broke it down nicely, kind of a really rough chop. And we just wanna start working this in to our grilled avocado mixture. We don't want it really creamy, at least I don't. I like it a little bit chunky here. I also want to add a little bit of cracked black pepper to this. Give this another little mix here. Let's give this a quick little taste, see if we need to add anything else. That doesn't need anything else. It tastes terrific. And now before we put this on that grilled pumpernickel, we're gonna fry up an egg that's gonna top this off. All right, we are ready to assemble our grilled bacon avocado toast. Take some of our avocado bacon mixture here, spread it across this nice piece of grilled pumpernickel. Get plenty of bacon in here. Now I'm gonna try and get my semi-lopsided sunny side up egg on here without the yolk breaking first. Wish me luck. I want to sprinkle a little bit of cracked black pepper on top here. And I can't have anything with egg without having some Tabasco. A couple little shakes on here. There we go. Our grilled bacon avocado toast topped with a nice sunny side up egg. It's time to taste. So let's cut into our yolk here and see if we get some nice gooey, runny yumminess. Oh yeah, there we go. Let that go. And now let's just cut down through this toast. You can pick this up and eat it with your hands if you want, but knife and fork to me works really well. Let's get a taste here. Holy moly, that's good. I'm not a big fan all the time of runny yolks. I prefer my eggs like over easy. Really, that's the least I like them cooked, but I gotta be honest, this is really good. Let's get another nice big piece here. As I said, I was dubious about avocado toast when my wife told me about it, and then I liked it, but I thought we could up the game on it, and man, this really does. That is just freaking good. If you're an avocado toast fan, or even if you're not an avocado toast fan and you're not sure about it, give this a try. With that bacon and that egg on top and some nice bread, this is just fantastic. Oh man, that is good.